Types of animals. Mammals. Mammals are characterized by the presence of milk-producing mammary glands for feeding their young, a neocortex region of the brain, fur or hair, and 3 middle ear bones. Birds. Birds are vertebrates, animals with backbones, with wings and feathers. Most birds can fly, using powerful muscles to flap their wings. However, a few bird species do not have strong enough wings to fly, and so these birds are flightless. Reptiles. All living reptile species are cold-blooded, have scaly skin, and lay eggs. Their skin is dry and rough, without any glands. The body is divided into a head, neck, trunk, and tail. Amphibians. Amphibians are small vertebrates that need water, or a moist environment, to survive. The species in this group include frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts. All can breathe and absorb water through their very thin skin. Fishes. Fish are aquatic vertebrate animals that have gills but lack limbs with digits, like fingers or toes. Insects. Insects have a chitinous exoskeleton, a 3-part body, head, thorax, and abdomen, 3 pairs of jointed legs, compound eyes, and 1 pair of antennae.